Hello students, welcome to this science presentation. Basically, this slide is about physical properties of matter, right? We have been talking about this for the last 6 weeks. There are five physical properties that we have to remember and we have to know very well. Let's begin with the physical state. When you think about physical state, what I want you to know is, well, what are the physical states of matter? That's pretty easy. Matter can be presented as a solid, liquid, or a gas. Okay, so at this point, this is the basic information for physical state. Conductivity. Yeah, what do we know about conductivity? Well, for conductivity, what I want you to know is that some matter can be good conductors of thermal energy and electricity, or they can be some good insulators. What's the difference between a conductor and an insulator? Well, very simple. A conductor let the electricity or thermal energy go through very easily. So it goes from one point to another one very easily. And when the matter is an insulator, it does the opposite. It doesn't let the heat or the electricity go through. So look at this example right here. So you have this cooking pot, and the handles of the pot is made out of plastic. What property of plastic it's important when you're cooking here? What's happening? What do you think these handles are made out of plastic? What does plastic do? Now think about that. All right. So the other physical property is density. That is, if the matter sinks or floats. Right. But what I want you to think about this is, when two objects are floating, what can you tell me about their densities? Do they have the same density or do they have different densities? Think about the same when two objects go to the bottom of the container. Do you think they have the same density or do they have different densities? And now look at this example. We have a container with water and we have two objects, two oranges. One have a peel and the other one has no peel. What can you tell me about the densities? Do they have the same density or do you think they have different densities? Then we also have another physical property, one of my favorites, is solubility. What is solubility? Well, solubility is the ability to get dissolved in water. So matter can be soluble or not. So for example, we have mixed water and sugar, water and salt. We also have done water and sand, right? So from those three substances, sand, salt, and water, sand, salt, and sugar, which one dissolves in water and which one does not dissolve in water? And think about this. What happens when an object dissolves? So what you need to tell me is, well, Mr. Reyes, when something dissolves, it spreads out evenly, right, in the water, and it also breaks down so small that it seems to disappear. And finally, we have another physical property, which is magnetism. Magnetism is the ability for metals to be attracted to a magnet. Now we know, like, not all metals are magnetic. The only one, the main one, there are three or four. The main one is iron. If anything is made out of iron, that means that it's magnetic. All right, that means that it's magnetic. Okay, so this is the presentation that you have to do. Just come to me, practice this information, and then I'm going to be asking you questions. And if you get it right, then you have mastered it. And then if not, then you need to practice a little bit more. All right, good luck.